Glad to show you today with the cappuccino. Hi guys, and welcome to Miami. So the question of the day is, can you find the real
spots? I'm an Italian American living in Miami, so I think I know some cool places we can go. I love the birds in Miami. That's something we have plenty of here. Lots of beautiful wildlife. So we're gonna see if we can see some of that today too. We're gonna go for a little walk. We're gonna see what we can find with just a little hint of Italian in there. We've got some Italian streets and shops, so I think it'll be a fun little tour. Let's go. In Coral Gables, we have a lot of European-inspired architecture, a lot from when the Spanish first colonized it, and they brought some of our first Catholic churches. This one isn't a church, but it's a beautiful building that is European architecture inspired, and so we're gonna go check out some more. Hi guys, we're at Graciano. So again, like I said, it's an Argentine-Italian spot, Argentinian-Italian. I'm not even sure how you say it actually. There is fresh pastas, it's a butcher as well, so you can get fresh meat, authentic Italian olive oil. They have hundreds of wines for you to try, so you could sit down and watch a soccer game, have like a little slice of fresh tiramisu, whatever you want, just a little tiny slice of Europe here in Coral Gables. So our next stop is 10 minutes away. We're gonna go to Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. There's a great backstory and it's got a lot of Italian flair and architecture. So I think it's gonna be a good spot to go check out. Welcome guys, we're at the Vizcaya Gardens. This is one of the most beautiful places in Miami. If you think you've seen it in movies or TV before, it's because you have. I think they just recently shot Bad Boys 2, parts of it here, and Ace Ventura originally, and I think definitely some others that I can't think of. This place was built by multimillionaire James Gruring in 1916, and he pulled a ton of inspiration from Italian architecture as well as Spanish. There are multiple full-size marble statues in this park. They're absolutely gorgeous, and even inside the museum, there's multiple rooms from like different eras of Italian art. We are on our way to Lincoln Road, basically Miami's equivalent of our little square, La Piazza. So we're gonna go see what they have to offer, maybe grab another little espresso, and keep the day going. So we're at Lincoln Road in Miami. This is one of our more famous shopping centers. It's pedestrian only, so it's one of the only places you don't have to worry about your car once you've parked it. You can spend the day here. You can get a little coffee in the square right here. You can have lunch with people, go shopping. Great place to go shopping in Miami. A lot of the Italian community in Miami or in Florida stay in Southern Florida because, I mean, this is as close as you can get. So yeah, come check out Lincoln Road. So we're gonna head to our last spot. We're gonna go have a little self-reflection for the day. We're gonna go chill out by the water, and I think that's the best place to really feel like you're in Italy. You really just can't beat the beaches of Miami, and you can't in Italy either. So I think that's where we're gonna finish off our day. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. The weather here is insane. The real Miami. You can sit out here at these tables, you can have a nice cocktail, a nice steak. It might not be Florentine, but it's really good. Yeah, Miami's beautiful, and it's definitely something to enjoy. If you want to like get away from the clubs and the partying, everything's super close together. You could do this whole run in like an hour if you really wanted to. We've got our beautiful faux Italian architecture. There's actually a lot of that in Miami. It's just so gorgeous and so loud and so windy. But normally you can sit out here and have a couple drinks, sit at your steak, and enjoy our beautiful teal Miami water. It's not Italy's water, but it's pretty decent. So if you guys like this, if you felt like we found a little slice of Italy here in Miami,